Let's go across and listen in what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say at Maruti e-Vitara launch event on India's relationship with Japan and how it has evolved over the years. Let's listen in.
भारत जापान पार्टनरशिप की औद्योगिक संभावनाओं को साकार करने की बड़ी पहल यहीं गुजरात से हुई थी। मुझे याद है हमने 20 साल पहले जब वाइब्रेंट गुजरात समिट शुरू की थी तो उसमें जापान एक प्रमुख सहयोगी था। आप विचार कीजिए, एक डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज का एक छोटा सा स्टेट, उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट समिट और जापान जैसा डेवलप कंट्री उसका पार्टनर हो, ये दिखाता है कि भारत और जापान की नींव कितनी मजबूत है।
That was the Prime Minister speaking at this event where Maruti Suzuki has officially commenced the production of the e-Vitara electric SUV at its plant in Hansarpur in Gujarat. The first electric offering from the brand will not only be sold in India but also exported to various international markets as well. My colleague Shrishti gives us a report from Ground Zero.
Well, this is the e-Vitara that you are seeing right now. We are right here at the Gujarat facility of Maruti Suzuki, where the company has set this particular e-Vitara on the production line. We had Prime Minister Narendra Modi right for this particular event and flagging of this vehicle. As you can see on my back, there are 4 different vehicles of e-Vitara that are showcased, and 2 of them are actually the left-hand drives. For now, the company has plans to export it to 100 different countries, where the major focus will be on Japanese as well as some of the European markets. And the company has also plans to get this particular vehicle on the Indian roads, but that can happen towards the end of this particular fiscal year. In terms of the investments and this particular facility that we are standing, though it has an annual capacity of almost 7.5 lakhs of units, what the company has earlier told us is that almost 10% is rather towards the end of this particular fiscal, 67,000 of units was the target to get produced of this particular vehicle. So yes, exciting times for Maruti Suzuki, and this vehicle is finally launched. And yes, of course, in some months from now, we will get to see this vehicle on Indian roads as well.
Thanks, Srishti, for that ground report. And